Kia ora, year 9. I'm going to go over some expanding bracket questions. I want to, before I go over that though, talk about what would happen if I was calculating a question such as this. Now, the one way of doing it would be to write out 13 plus 13 plus 13 plus 13. We're going to add all these up again together. Alternatively, we could think about this as an area model, where I've got 13 along here, split up as 10 and 3, and along here 4. This area in here, 10 times 4 will be 40. This area in here, 3 times 4 will be 12. Add them, we get 52. Either way here, we would have got 52. It doesn't matter what the method is. I'm going to jump over to this 4 times 5x plus 6. One way we can do it, the first way, that we could do it is we could write out 5x plus 6 4 times. And I'm going to do that. 5x plus 6 plus 5x plus 6 plus 5x plus 6 plus the last 5x plus 6. Now the reason I'm doing that is because that's 4 lots of 5x plus 6, same as this is 4 lots of 13. It's writing out this way. We'd have 5x plus 5x plus 5x plus 5x, that's 20x. 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 is 24. Alternatively, we could think about this as an area model. We've got 5x plus 6, and we've got 4 on this side. So the area of this rectangle is 5x times 4 is 20x, and 4 times 26 is 24. So you've ended up with 20x plus 24. I'm happy with either method. However, I imagine most students wouldn't want to do writing them all out. And drawing up a grid each time does take a bit of time. I don't mind which method you use. However, there is a significantly faster way. And I'll go over that right now. I want you to think about what happened. When I was adding that 5x and the 5x and the 5x and the 5x, I was effectively doing 4 lots of 5x. 4 times 5x, 20x. And when I added that 6, they had plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. I had 4 lots of that, 24. Here, it's the same for the area model. The 4 has been times by the 5x, the 4 has been times by the 6. So the fastest way to do it is to simply times the 4 by whatever's on the outside of the brackets by each individual item on the inside. Here we've got 8 times 8x, 64x, and then we've got 8 times 5 minus 5. Now 8 times minus 5, that's minus 40. It's the whole answer. You didn't have to do the grid method. You didn't have to write them out 8x minus 5 8 times. You can just times the 8 by the first thing on the inside of the bracket and then by the second thing. Let's try example 3. X times 4x. We're doing x times x is x squared, so x times 4x is 4x squared. X times minus 5 is minus 5x. Much faster just to times whatever's on the outside of the brackets by what's on the inside. 8x times 5 is 40x. 8x times minus 2x is minus 16. X times x is x squared. My last point to note is you can always fall back onto a grid method. However, multiplication, when you're multiplying by something on the outside of the brackets, it's everything on the inside of the brackets that's been times. If you really do struggle, you can try a few times of writing them out one step at a time. This is 13 plus 13 plus 13 for 4 times 13, but you could in fairness write out that 5x plus 6. I'll do it in here, 5x plus 6 4 times and add them together. can you see that when we're adding them together, we've got 4 lots of them. You've got 4 lots of 6 and 4 lots of 5x. That's why we're timesing 4 lots of 5x, 4 lots of 6. All of that would have added up to 20x plus 24. 5 times 4, 20. X, 6 times 4, 24. But I much prefer doing this expanding by multiplying the first term by each thing on the inside. Right, it should look like they're a little bit of a wave shape. All right, well done, Year 9. There's some exercises on the Google Classroom for you to do to practice this. And I'll come back with factorizing next, which is the reverse of this. All right, have a wonderful day.